Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create album online. So first of all, open the Line application. You can see over here Line application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So what you have to do is tap on the chats option that you can see at the bottom. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the chats interface. At top, you'll be able to find various icons over here. So tap on the albums icon that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see all of your albums over here. If you want to create the album, tap on the plus icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll have to choose the friends to create the album with. You can simply choose the friends or you can also choose the groups. So simply tap on the option of your choice. Now tap on the next option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, simply select the photo to be added to the album. Now tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can enter the album name over here, so tap on the field of album name. Now give the name to the album. Now once you do that, tap on the create option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here your album will be created. So like this, you'll be able to create the album. So that is how you create album in Line. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.